This is the only piece in chess that can jump over others, and most beginners find it confusing. But in this video, you'll master it. Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today we are going to learn about knight, which is the most powerful and unique piece if used correctly. So it is actually confusing, but today we will learn it most properly step by step and you'll master the knight. So the knight moves basically in an L shape, which means two squares forward and one side. Once more, after black moves, two squares forward and one side. Now, a knight can jump into 8 pieces. And remember, the most important point is that if a knight is on a colored black square, it will go on a light square. Always it will jump in a different colored square. Like here you can see, the knight is on d4 and it can go to c2, b3, b5, c6, e6, f5, f3 and e2. So now it can move 2 steps forward and left, 2 steps forward right, 2 steps backward left, 2 steps backward right, 2 steps side left right and 2 steps the other side left right. So it has total 8 options to move. And yes, this is truly said that a knight can jump over pieces. Like see here. Now in this position, this knight is on the way. The f4 knight wants to go on d5 or d3, but the d4 knight is on the way. Still the knight can go because it can jump over pieces. This makes it very unique. But a knight cannot capture pieces in straight lines or diagonals as it moves not in the moves. It has to capture in an L shape. And two knights left in the endgame like here can never checkmate a king. So remember, the knight can jump over pieces unlike the queen, the rook and the bishop we learnt in the last lesson, and it can also capture pieces but only in an L shape. It cannot capture diagonally or straight or in its way. If there's a piece, it cannot capture it. Just he can jump. Now the mistakes that beginners often do is that they move the knight diagonal. The knight doesn't move diagonal. They forgot that the knight can jump over pieces and keep the knight away in the opening. Well, the knight is very useful. It is also used for forks, which we will learn in next upcoming chapters in the tactics. So let's capture in this position. So it's white's turn and he moves his knight. Now both the pawns are trapped. The pawn will move forward, the knight captures it. The other pawn will move, the knight captures it again. And remember, I know that the knights cannot checkmate, but we have the pawn. We will learn the superpower in our next lesson. Great! Now we have learned how the knight moves. In the next lesson, we will learn how this small pawn moves. And learn about the big power of a small pawn. So keep learning, keep practicing, and I shall see you in lesson 4.